Hi, my name is Charlotte, and I am one of the artists involved with the Sam's Room workshop for the Roswell Cultural Arts Center in Roswell, city of Roswell. So, if you're not familiar with Sam's Room, I just wanted to take a little time to tell you about the project and kind of why I'm involved in it. So, here's the little logo. You may have seen it around. Sam's Room is a musical that is a pop musical dramedy, which simply just means it's a musical that's funny. And it was created by 4 New York artists. And I was kind of roped into the project simply as a consultant. I've done a lot of work in the special needs world, and they wanted my opinion because this musical is about Sam, and Sam is a nonverbal teen, and you get to see, as an audience member, Sam, and you get to see the inner part of his brain, which is the rock star Sammy Star. And so it's about how we struggle to communicate in our lives. The goal of this musical is to basically show that you are all Sam. We all struggle with communication. We all have had times when we feel trapped or lost. We all have had times where we feel like people don't get us. And so we have commonality in that. And so I was able to see this musical done live. It's a very small cast. It's only four people, but I was able to see this produced live in Birmingham about 2 years ago, and it was phenomenal. And so I talked immediately with City of Roswell about bringing it here to the community. Actually, one of our local families here is a co-writer within Sam's Room, and her children actually have a lot in common with Sam. So it hits very close to home. So I talked with the City of Roswell about bringing Sam's Room to Roswell, and they said yes, which is absolutely amazing. So we are so excited that we will be hosting our very first workshop that is coming up in April. It's April 21st through 23rd. And it's at the Adult Recreation Center for the City of Roswell. So we'll be hosting a workshop there. We'll be hosting a workshop in about 6 months as well, and a third workshop with the intent to produce Sam's Room for the City of Roswell in September 2026. So, here's a little bit about the workshop and why you should get involved. This workshop is open to everybody. So it is outlined as a neurodiverse theater workshop. So meaning participants with special needs should register for this workshop to try to expand and learn about theater. But it is for everyone. If you would like to volunteer with this project, which I highly recommend that you do because it is amazing, then you will be taking the workshop. You won't have to register. You will just sign up with me, and you will take the workshop right alongside our participants. So the magic of the workshop happens when we are in the same space with different individuals. That is the magic of Sam's Room, and we need you to make that happen. So, like I said, there's 2 ways to get involved. One, if you have someone that would qualify as a participant, someone who has special needs, that is ages 8 through adult, you can sign up at the Amelia registration page for the City of Roswell. If you go to Roswell 365, then you'll find it there. Or if you are a volunteer and you would love to just get involved with this program, then you can just send me a quick email, send me a quick message, whatever, and we can get you involved. There's no training required. I will be there myself. So all you need to do is show up and be open to learn, and you'll take the workshop right alongside. There's no acting or theater experience required. There's no dance experience required. It is just an open invitation to everyone to join Sam's Room. Come on in. Okay, I hope to see you there. Thanks. Bye-bye.